How to make a Valentine's Day card in Canva. Today I will teach you how to make card in Canva. Open the Canva. Search for Valentine's Day card. You can see search results. Select card from here. Card has two sides, front and inside the card. Select Customize this template. Remove unwanted things from pictures. Customize the picture. Other side also need to be customized. Now make the first side first. Click on Elements. Search flowers. Choose the flowers of your choice and place them on card to enhance creativity. Now go to second side. Select the whole picture and delete everything. Search couple in search bar. Choose the couple picture. Resize it. And select other things too. Choose color for heart and place it where you want to place. Add a text here. A quotation or anything you want to write for your loved one inside the card. Place it where you want to. Adjust the writing. Also write ending line. Search for flower and choose the flowers for corner. You can see both sides are ready. Then click on Share and download it and send it to your loved ones. Now I am gonna show you how to make corporate template for Valentine's Day in Canva. Open the Canva. Search for Valentine's Day corporate template. You can see all the results here. Select the template. Customize this template. Select Resize and Magic Switch. Select Folded Card Portrait. Select Continue. Select Copy and Resize. Open Folded Card Portrait. Detach picture from background. Resize the picture. Add page. Go to another page. Go to text. Write a text here. Change the color of text. Make it more visible. Now choose Add a heading. Write your text here. Now add the color to background. Search couples in search bar. Customize the video. Now add flowers to picture. Here, the template is ready to share. Now go to the first picture. Add text. Now your both templates are ready to share. You can share it now to your loved ones. This is how you can make cards and templates in Canva. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.